Yes, hello YouTube, my name is Dave. In this introduction to web design or website development, I will take you through how to write codes, how to save, and very many steps to reach that stage of writing a website. I have interacted with very many websites, the Facebook.com, the search engines, Google, the Upwork.com, YouTube.com, all are written from novice or from the single tag to the whole of that web page. So what they use to structure web pages is basically HTML, and the HTML is none other than hypertext markup language. And the hypertext markup is a set of markup languages or the documents described by HTML tags, that is between the opening HTML tag and the end HTML tag, and each HTML tag describes different document content. As we shall see in the next steps, so I would like to take you through how do you start writing codes, how you save it, and even I show you a sample code. Keep watching. So this will be our steps to follow, and the first step is to open Notepad in Windows. When you're using Windows 7 or XP or what, this you can click on the start button, which is always left here on your screen. You go to all programs, then click accessories, then you click on Notepad. But for me, since I'm using Windows 8, I'll go to the next option, which is you open the start screen, which is this is the start screen. Then after opening the start screen, the Windows symbol at the bottom left on your screen, which is this one, the one I've clicked. Then you type Notepad here. When I type Notepad, even just before completing, it will bring me what I want up here, so you can click it and open. Or if you have not used that long procedure, you can just press some buttons on the keyboard, that is Windows Win key plus R. It will bring for you this runny dialog. You just type there Notepad, press enter, it will open for you the Notepad. Or if you have not used that procedure, you can use even command prompt to open Notepad, just by it's a matter of opening the command prompt, CMD, then it's just right there the word Notepad using command prompt, and it will open for you the Notepad you want. So, and the step 2 is we can write some of the HTML just to test our skills. It is this one, the doc type HTML, body, my first heading, my first paragraph, body what. So we can try and write it. So you shouldn't worry, I'll write it. So it is just the doc type. It is HTML. Then you have HTML. Then body. heading 1, H1, first heading. What is the paragraph? My first paragraph. You close the paragraph tag, then you close the body tag, close the HTML tag. So basically this is the next step after opening Notepad. You can write these codes here, the doc type, HTML tag, this, and this is the opening HTML tag, and this is the closing HTML tag. This one is the body tag, the opening body tag, and this is the closing body tag. This is the heading tag, that is the H1, and this is the closing heading tag. This is the paragraph tag, the opening paragraph tag, and this is the opening paragraph tag. But then this is just the text to be displayed. Now if you want to save this page, and the next step is how to save your HTML page, and we shall save this file on our computer just by selecting the file, going to the option, scrolling down to the option of save as in the Notepad menu, then name the file. You can name it index.html or anything .html, but the extension for web pages is HTML, which is this one. So the name, you can give it anything as long as it is with an extension of the HTML, it will still work. So we go to the file menu, this menu in the Notepad, go to save as, then we can say index.html. You guys, you can save it anything you want. You're not restricted to only index, but as long as you're having this extension of your HTML. Then I will save mine on the desktop. You can open a folder for it. Mine is disorganized, but it's fine. So you can save, click save. You can use either .html or .html as the extension. There is no difference. It is up to you. So after saving, we can view our page, our sample page in the web browser, how it is looking like. So you can see what is index, it is here. When we preview it in the web browser, and this is it. My first heading, my first paragraph. So that is just the simple code for this one. There you have now started with your website designing. So thank you. See you in the next tutorial for introduction to web design. Please like and subscribe.